Today in front of me I have INFINIX Smart 6 HD smartphone, and in this video we're going to demonstrate how you can set Opera as your default tab for browsing on this device. So first of all, you want to launch the settings. Next, simply enter the app management category, default apps, browser app, and at the default browser app page, select Opera, and that will basically mean that you have successfully set Opera as your default browser app. There is also the second way to do that directly from the Opera application, so let's go ahead and open it. Once at the Opera app, tap over here at your avatar, then go for settings, scroll the page down for a little bit, then you'll find the default browser section which you want to tap on, click on next, select Opera and choose to set it as default. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.